Imagine a role that's the backbone of organization and efficiency within a company. Meet the document controller, a professional dedicated to ensuring seamless document management across all operations. A document controller creates and maintains a well-structured filing system, making critical information easy to locate and access. With expertise in version control, they ensure teams always work with the most updated documents, eliminating errors and confusion. They play a vital role in compliance, ensuring that documents align with legal regulations and industry standards, protecting the organization from potential risks. For companies with quality management systems like ISO certifications, document controllers are indispensable, maintaining the documentation needed to uphold these standards. Their work fosters collaboration by sharing the right documents with the right stakeholders at the right time, boosting communication and productivity. Document security is also their forte. They safeguard sensitive files and implement measures to control access to confidential information. Whether it's disaster recovery, auditing, or onboarding, document controllers ensure critical data is always protected, easily accessible, and up to date. From streamlining workflows to supporting organizational changes, their contributions make a lasting impact. Ready to elevate your document management game? A document controller is the key to success.